Hi guys, welcome back. This is Chinmay. In this video, I am going to discuss another interview questions. This is very important concept in design pattern. Let's get started. Generally, what we think about a factory? An infrastructure where goods or products are manufactured or assembled. Car factory where we expect car as end product. Similarly, in a cement factory, cement is the end product. So when we are discussing about factory pattern in technology or object-oriented programming, definitely we expect object as end product. A factory which provides us required number of objects of different types is called the factory pattern or factory method in programming. So this is the concept. Let's understand factory design pattern. Here you can see vehicle is a factory which produces two-wheeler, three-wheeler and four-wheeler. Let's design the vehicle class in such a way so that we can get different objects like two-wheeler, three-wheeler or four-wheeler as per our requirement. A factory method is a static method of a class that returns an object of that class type. But unlike a constructor, the actual object it returns might be an instance of a subclass. Here you can see class vehicle. Inside vehicle, one is pure virtual function. I mean, when virtual function equal to 0, then it is called as a pure virtual functions. When there is a pure virtual function, then the class will be concrete class or abstract class or sealed class. That means it won't allow to directly instantiate an object from this class. So next thing is a static method, which is called as a factory method. If the client requested with a specific type, then it returns that type of object. So here you can see there are three classes. One is two-wheeler, three-wheeler and four-wheeler. So all are inheriting vehicle class. I mean this class. So here we are using the display vehicle method to show if it is a two-wheeler, then I am a two-wheeler, or I am three-wheeler, or I am four-wheeler. So when the client requests with the type two-wheeler type, then it returns that type of object. Similarly, for three-wheeler, it returns three-wheeler object. So the two things are there. One is when we request a specific type, it returns that object, or number of times also we can request. And next thing we are going to discuss how to create a factory method and how to call that factory method. All we need to do is to design the factory method. Here factory method is create and argument is string. So if the type matches to two-wheeler, then it simply returns two-wheeler object. Else if it returns three-wheeler object or it returns four-wheeler object. Inside main we are creating client. That means it will be calling constructor. So here we are hard coding three-wheeler as type. Then we creating that type. That means it will be calling to here and the type matches to three-wheeler and it will be returning three-wheeler object. And vehicle, P vehicle is the handle which holds the three-wheeler object now. Next we are calling get vehicle. That means inside get vehicle we are simply returning P vehicle object which holds three-wheeler object now. Then we are trying to display vehicle. That means it will be display it is a three-wheeler vehicle. That's that simple, guys. That's all. Hope it would be helpful. Please post your queries in below comment section. We'll try to answer. Check out my other videos also. Thanks for watching.